Welcome back to ABCT Trade Review. Today we are running our top movers watch list of 8 setups for 10th June 2026, including Rain, Carb, DBL, Infobian and more. For each name, here's where price sits versus our planned entry and upside targets. Rain Industries is currently at 202.75, slightly below the planned entry of 203.97. indicating a dip of 0.6%. The distance to target 1 at 305.96 is about 50.9%. Today's volume is below average at 78%. Watching 202.75 as key support for potential bounce. City Union Bank sits at 255.35, marginally below the entry of 256.4 with a 0.4% dip today. Target 1 is 50.6% away at 384.6. Volume is notably low at 54% of average. Keep an eye on 255.35, which could act as a support level. Dilip Buildcon is at 435.1, just under the planned entry of 436.5, reflecting a 0.3% decline. The distance to target 1 stands at 50.5%, while volume is 97% of average, signaling some interest. Watch 435.1, as it may provide a potential support area. Infobeans is currently priced at 171.9, below the entry of 174.56 with a dip of 1.5%. Target 1 at 261.84 is 52.3% higher. Today's volume is quite low at only 24% of average. The next key level to watch for potential support is at 171.9. JBM Auto trades at 672.95, slightly below the entry mark of 676.75, showing a decline of 0.6%. The distance to target 1 is approximately 50.8%. Volume remains very low at 15% of average. The critical level to monitor is the recent low at 672.95. Sky Gold is priced at 505.3, just under the entry of 513.05, reflecting a dip of 1.5%. Target 1 is 52.3% away at 769.58. Volume is quite low at 16% of average today. Keeping an eye on 505.3 is crucial for possible support. Indian Bank sits at 841.5, below its planned entry of 874.95, showing a significant dip of 3.8%. The distance to target 1 is 56%. Volume is relatively strong at 77% of average. Watch the 841.5 level closely, as it may serve as support. Canara Bank trades at 135.45, which is below the entry level of 137.51, leading to a decrease of 1.5%. The distance to target 1 at 206.27 is approximately 52.3%. Today's volume is 57% of the average. 135.45 is worth observing closely for support. That's the full top movers watch list for today. If this helped, like and subscribe for the daily run-through. These are high-risk, speculative trades, so this is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Always use a stop and size your risk. Trade safe. And comment below which stock you want me to look at for you, drop any ticker, and I'll do the analysis and share its entry, targets, levels and full details in an upcoming video.